One of the best tools on the Samsung Interactive Display WAF just got even better. Meet the new Whiteboard app. With it, you can use the text pen to automatically convert your handwriting to text. Access split canvas to divide the whiteboard into 2, 3, or 4 screens, allowing multiple students or groups to work independently within the same whiteboard space. Under the Tools bar, press the Add button to find a ruler, sticky notes, periodic table, mind maps, and more to enhance your lessons. If you need to insert images, videos, or an alternate input directly into the Whiteboard app, use the Add button inside the Tools bar. After you or your students are done, you can share any whiteboard creations with students easily by uploading them to the cloud or generating a QR code for quick access. Press the menu button and the QR code button to create the code within the app. The Whiteboard tool is designed to work with existing lesson plans to enrich the teaching and learning experience for all. You'll love watching your classroom engagement soar.